Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Zeely AI app for beginners and get started in a clear and easy way. First, download and install the Zeely AI app from your App Store. Then open it and sign up using your email, phone number, or a social login option. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard with all the available tools and options. Zeely AI is designed to help you create content, generate ideas, and automate simple tasks using artificial intelligence, so take a moment to explore the interface. To start, tap on the Create or New Project button. Here, you can choose the type of output you want, like text generation, image creation, or chat assistance. For beginners, it's best to start with text or simple prompts. Type in a clear instruction or idea into the prompt box. For example, if you want Zeely to generate a blog paragraph, enter the topic and any important details you want included. After typing your prompt, tap Generate and wait a few seconds while the AI produces your content. Once it's ready, you can review, edit, or refine it directly within the app. You can also save your work to your projects for later use. Another key feature is templates. Zeely AI comes with pre-built templates for social media posts, emails, and creative writing. Choose a template, fill in your details, and let the AI automatically create content based on your input. This is perfect for beginners because it guides you step by step and reduces the learning curve. If you want to experiment with AI-generated images, tap on the Image Creation section. Enter a description of what you want the AI to generate, such as a futuristic city at sunset or cute cartoon character holding a balloon. After a few moments, Zeely will produce several image options you can download, edit, or share. This feature is especially useful for creating thumbnails, social posts, or visual content quickly. Zeely AI also includes a chat feature that allows you to ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or get advice on specific topics. Simply type your query into the chat box, and the AI will respond with suggestions or explanations. This is very helpful if you're just starting and need guidance or inspiration. Finally, remember to explore the Settings and Tutorials section within the app. These areas help you understand advanced features, manage your account, and customize output formats. For beginners, it's important to practice using prompts, templates, and chat regularly to get comfortable. By following these steps, you'll be able to use Zeely AI effectively, create content faster, and make the most of its features, even if you're new to AI apps. Subscribe the channel for more videos.